Sabine Frank, Civil Society Platform for Intercultural Dialogue and IFA. Sorry, I came in a few minutes late. I didn't know you were already concluding. I thought the discussion was continuing for a bit. In terms of concrete proposals and messages to the ministers tomorrow, I think it would be nice if we could recommend, of course, the adoption of this communication on culture is not as such on the agenda yet, but we have to already send some signals with regard to the formal council of the culture ministers in November. And I think it would be good if we could recommend that they adopt it. It might be a flawed document in that the details aren't hammered out, we don't know it exactly how the methods proposed are going to work out, but that in principle it's the way forward. At the moment it's the only way forward. And I would even go so far as to make a more concrete proposal of how one of the instruments is going to be used, namely the open method of coordination. I would suggest two very concrete proposals. I think the open method of coordination could be used to continue the work that the culture ministers have already undertaken with regard to the European Year of Intercultural Dialogue. Rather than stopping their joint debate about the topic, they need to continue it. The national ministers, the national governments had been asked in preparation of this year to submit strategies for intercultural dialogue. I think they ought to continue having an exchange about what they've come up with in those strategies. The member states had been asked to select projects, to select proposals on intercultural dialogue during the year. I think they ought to have an exchange after the year on what they've actually done in the year and what the outcomes are. These are contents that the discussions under the OMC could fill with content. Secondly, about the structured dialogue. I think it's to be welcomed. The proposal, though, is to have this structured dialogue at European level, and I think it needs a complement. It needs the complement of structured dialogue between the cultural sector and arts organizations and their national ministries at national level. We've heard enough evidence today of information, for example, from the Portuguese Ministry of Culture not filtering down to the actors, to the cultural actors in the field. So again, I think this is something that ministers at European level could talk about jointly. What do they actually do in their home countries to have a structured dialogue with the sector? Structured dialogue is a two-way process. It's the sector organizing itself, setting up representative structures, finding representative voices, but it's also the public actors making an offer, encouraging it, seeking it, declaring it to be their aim. And I think that's a topic that lends itself to discussion at European level. What efforts are being made nationally to have a structured dialogue, and then how can that filter, how can that feed into a structured dialogue at European level? Thank you.